What is your question? I'm not answering you because no more question at all. What can I answer? No more question behind. Charot. What's your question? Guys, if you have a question, you can comment there in a comment section so I can handle it. I can read it for all of you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you for joining. Ayan, thank you for joining us every day. I hope every day ako makapag-live. I try my best. I do live stream every day. If all of you are there. I swear to God, you are the most beautiful woman. Oh, really, Chris? Really? Bola bola. Charot. Thank you so much. I know I'm not. I know I'm not. I'm not. I am not the most beautiful woman in the Philippines. There are so many people here in the Philippines. There are so many faces, beautiful faces there. Not me. I can't accept that. Charot. Kulit na bagay. Grabe siya. Charger. Ang dami mong charger. Nakakaloto ka. Guys, comment kayo sa comment section natin. Please comment, where are you from? Taga saan kayo, guys? Comment lang kayo sa ating comment section. And to shout out kayo everyday na mag-like ako. Pero hindi ako makapromise, guys, kung everyday ako makapag-live. Everything na lang na mag-live ako. Mali pa. Mali pala. Really? Ayan, thank you so much. Guys, kahit nandito tayo sa second floor, ano yung ingay sa labas, sa baba, narinig ko dito sa kwarto, parang walang barrier, parang walang harang, parang dinig na dinig ko, kahit hakbang, ayan, yung anong tawag doon, tulog ng paa, parang kabayo na naglalakot, ganun, tulig na dinig ko, nakakaloka, ang initan yung upuan ko, ang napakakaupo. Ang madalas manood sa aking live stream, guys, is syempre una Philippines, mga Pinoy na manonood lang para hindi magpaparamdam. Ibig sabihin, nakikimarites lang. Charot. Tapos, India, Indonesia, hello guys, America, Malaysia, Taiwan, ano pa ba, Myanmar, Singapore, bihira lang yung Singapore, parang gano'n. Saudi, ayan, yung sa Saudi, nag-ano na rin, nanonood na rin, may taga-Saudi na rin na nanonood. Tapos, Mexico, Spain, USA, ayan, thank you so much for watching. And then, meron pa, taga New Zealand, meron pa, anong bansa kayo? Guys, where are you from? Who's watching there? Where are you from? There are so many Filipinos all over the world. Say hi, everyone.